Petroleum, often referred to as crude oil, is a complex mixture of hydrocarbons that is formed over millions of years through a natural geological process. The formation of petroleum involves several key steps. Source material: petroleum originates from the remains of marine microorganisms, such as plankton and algae, as well as dead plants and animals. These organic materials settle at the bottom of ancient seas or lakes and become buried under layers of sediment. Burial and compression: as more layers of sediment accumulate on top of the organic material, it undergoes burial and experiences increasing levels of pressure from the overlying sediments. This pressure compacts the organic material, squeezing out water and other volatile components, and eventually turns it into a type of organic-rich sediment called source rock. Heating: the buried organic-rich source rock is subjected to heat due to the geothermal gradient, which is the natural increase in temperature with depth in the Earth's crust. This heat causes a process called thermal maturation or diagenesis, where organic matter undergoes chemical changes. Oil and gas formation: as the temperature and pressure continue to rise, the organic matter in the source rock begins to break down. It transforms into hydrocarbons in the form of liquid, oil, and gas. The specific types of hydrocarbons that form depend on the composition of the source material and the conditions under which it is buried and heated. Migration: the oil and gas, now in a highly pressurized state, start to migrate through the surrounding rock layers. They move from the source rock to porous and permeable reservoir rocks, where they accumulate in underground reservoirs. Trapping mechanisms: reservoir rocks are often trapped by impermeable rock layers, such as shale or salt, which create geological structures like anticlines, fault traps, and stratigraphic traps. These traps prevent the hydrocarbons from escaping to the surface and effectively trap them within the subsurface reservoirs. Exploration and extraction: petroleum exploration involves locating potential reservoirs through geophysical surveys and drilling test wells. Once a reservoir is identified, wells are drilled to extract the petroleum. The oil and gas are then brought to the surface for processing and refining. It's important to note that the formation of petroleum is a very lengthy process that occurs over millions of years, and it relies on specific geological and environmental conditions. The resulting petroleum reserves are finite, and their extraction has significant implications for energy production and environmental impact. Order of refinement for these petroleum products, starting from crude oil, also known as petroleum, is given as natural gas. Natural gas is typically the first product to be extracted during the refining process. It consists primarily of methane and is often used for heating and electricity generation. Naphtha. Naphtha is a light liquid hydrocarbon fraction extracted from crude oil. It's an intermediate product used as a feedstock for various processes, including the production of gasoline, plastics, and chemicals. Gasoline, petrol. Gasoline is produced from naphtha and is used as a fuel for internal combustion engines, primarily in automobiles. Diesel fuel. Diesel fuel is typically produced after gasoline and is used to power diesel engines found in vehicles like trucks, buses, and industrial equipment. Kerosene. Kerosene, also known as paraffin oil, is produced after diesel and is used for heating, lighting, and in some jet engines. Wax. Various types of wax can be produced during the refining process, and it's typically one of the final products. Wax can be used in candles, crayons, as a lubricant, and in various industrial applications. Tar, or asphalt, is one of the heaviest and least refined products from crude oil. It's used primarily for road construction and roofing materials due to its waterproofing properties.